Hello everyone. Welcome to the sixth day of my post market analysis. As you can see, my chart is like quite empty. This is just me showing up honestly. I took another loss today, so I figured that there's something wrong. I am doing something wrong. I recently refined. I know. I think I mentioned in day one that I recently refined my strategy. It worked for a few weeks, and that's yeah, maybe a few, maybe let's say a week. It worked for a few days. Don't let me know. I think it was more than a week. So it worked for a few days. So I thought that it was something that I can continually, you know, put in place. Direction is right, like I always say. I get direction right, but I just don't seem to find an entry you know, that won't get stopped out before going in my direction. You must have seen it in the previous days. So, this is really annoying for me. I'll be very honest with you. Is I'm just here to rant. In all honesty, I'll be in about 4 minutes. I'll be out of your faces. So, it's annoying because I know the amount of effort. I know the effort I am putting in. Making this work, making sure that at least I get something good out of this, all of this month and all of those things, right? So that is why it's not annoying. It's not annoying because it is not working. It's annoying because of the effort I'm putting, if that makes sense. Do you get? If I wasn't putting as much effort, maybe I would not be this angry. But we keep trying. I'm not going to be. I'm not sure I'm trading today. It's Friday already, my time. So I'm not sure I'm trading today. I'll just be not away from the chart, but studying. I'm going to be working more on I'm speaking to my mentors already, and I think I can see where I've been missing it. I can see where I've been messing up. So today I took a loss. I'm not going to be showing you. I know you want, I'm not going to be showing you. I know you want to laugh at me. But really, it's been a crazy one. I'll be very honest. I'll be honest. But it's part of it. It's part of what I signed up for when I chose Forex, right? It's part of what I signed up for in all honesty. And I mean, it, as much as it hurts me, I still feel very proud of myself. I still feel that I'm on the right path. I still feel that I'm I am on the I am learning. I am getting better. I am improving. Yeah. I like that. I can see at least I can see growth. I can easily I mean months ago I wasn't even able to, you know, get a setup, let alone get an entry, right? But right now I'm getting entries, I'm getting setups, I'm getting entries, doing the same thing over and over again every day for the past days, right? And of course, he was consistently losing, which I honestly should have actually, you know, stepped back on the fourth or third or fourth loss. But then I thought it was not me. I thought it was just market conditions. But it's clear now that I am the one that, that is with the problem. Not me actually, it's just what I did is my refinement that brought more issues. And I think I'm going to be working with that with my mentor, and by God's grace, I'm going to be better. I'm going to come back better. Of course, I am not giving up on this journey. I'm in fact I'm stepping away for just a day, just today, right? Just Friday. On Saturday, of course, no trade. On Sunday, no trade. So I'll just be working. So next Monday, trust me, I love the market so much. So I always want to at least be there. I want to participate, right? So I'm sure that next week, I would be, active, right? Thank you for coming up today, and I'm sad that I took the SL anyways. I mean, this like even when I was learning, I don't think I took these straight back-to-back losses, right? And that's where I could have, and that's the issue with trusting your strategy. You trust blindly. You trust blindly, like very blindly. Trust me. No matter how horrible it is going, you still eventually trust, right? And yeah, so that's it. I was going to say something. Okay, and you just don't care whether I hit your TP or not, as long as you have a strategy that works. I mean, I did a very good back test of this strategy. I'm just wondering why. But of course, there are times that that's why I prefer to front test than to back test, in all honesty. There's a way you can back test and get a large number right. Do you get your trades? You just think you've gotten it, and but front test gives you, exact market conditions. It gives you the feel of you are in the present, right? Backtesting is like, you know, borrowing from the past, in all honesty. I love it so much. I do it a lot, don't get me wrong. But then I still prefer that I front to tell myself, well done, you've gotten a strategy that works. I prefer to front test than backtesting. Backtesting is like you are seeing the result already, literally. So you can easily, tweak, and no matter how honest you are with yourself, in all honesty, you just see that it just works in your favor some way, as especially when you know what you are doing. Do you get? Because backtest, the I had like maybe 2 to 3 backtesting sessions. Yes, I know that I did that. Like, in fact, I backtest every day, literally. So it's not even, but the sessions that I took out, usually I use the whole weekend to backtest. So those I know I have done like this particular refinement. I worked on it for a good number of days. So trust me, I'll be back, and I'll be back stronger, of course. So please, I don't know, like and subscribe. Is that what it's? But I mean, I'll see you in future. Thank you everyone for staying and for for riding with me in this losing streak. Thank you guys. I'm grateful. Bye bye.